What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the Rider Do channel. This is V, your host. Today, I'm out here with the homie Fitz. He about to take me down to meet up with his mans who happen to work on motorcycles. I'm trying to get some insight on this upgrade I'm about to perform on the Enduro Stealth Bombe. Trying to do it once, I'm trying to do it right, trying to get it right the first time. Yeah, I recently bought a front end for one of those dirt bikes. I think it's a Y85 or Z85. Anyway, I got the forks, I got the triple tree, I got a 19-inch front wheel, I got the brakes, the brake leader, the caliper, the rotor. We out here gas and electric. That's how we do it. But he don't want it though. This ain't gonna be a race. I gotta race one of them, I guess 50 cc's and better maybe. I gotta race one of the bigger boys. And one thing I think I need is the wheel bearings dust coverage. And I just have to check all my spaces and stuff like that. But other than that, I think I have everything. But I just want to double check, you know, if there's anything I could look out for, anything else I might need that I overlooked. Huh?
That shit electric?
Yeah.
That shit fire.
Good looking. Huh?
That shit carbon fiber in there and all that.
Yeah. I ain't finished with it. I'm gonna put carbon fiber here.
How long it take you to make it?
Once I get the parts in no time at all. It'll probably take me 30 days to get everything.
How much that though?
25. You say you had the party?
Alright.
25. So we'll probably have to go to church. How we doing over here? Oh, yeah, sir. Oh, okay. Yo. Hello? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. I shall go. Yeah, yeah. You can probably tell he's not there. They say he'll be back in a few. But I gotta run back to the lab. I got an emergency. They said, well, they say it's an emergency or urgent. I hope it's neither urgent nor an emergency. So I gotta run back over there and see what's happening. Worst case, if I'm not comfortable doing this mod, worst case I could take it over to Yamaha. I spoke to someone over there. They said they could definitely do it, but I just have to do my own research and get my own parts and everything like that and bring it to them and they'll do it. Yeah, this upgrade right here, I would like to perform it myself though, that way I could document it. I didn't see a lot of people doing it online on YouTube or anything. I seen people talking about it and I seen a bike with it, but I didn't see anyone doing it. So, I'd like to make a video of it, document it, and hopefully to help you guys out or somebody out. Yeah, so, we'll see what happens. I'll just circle back on another day, another time. Hopefully I'll catch up to him. Just want to make sure I didn't overlook anything, because I hate starting a project. I'm basically just trying to be prepared as possible. But I hate starting a project or in the middle of a project. I gotta stop, run the Home Depot, running a hardware store, run the Harbor Freight to grab something. I'd rather have everything before I even start. That way there's no stoppage. So hopefully he could give me some useful information, some tips, tricks, whatever. Yeah, yeah.